Yeah, it's Monday. I'm back here up on my 74. I just installed that the other day, last week. This is the one that had that oil all over the place. So apparently it froze up over the weekend, and I think that I didn't add any charge to it. So I can't videotape what I'm doing because I'm on my phone. So I'm gonna add a little charge to this and see what happens. All right, so I've added about 1.5 pounds. This is the unit that goes all the way to the basement. So that's about what, 8, 16, 24 foot drop. And then you got what's on the roof here. It's not too bad, but I'm pretty sure I added some juice to it when I installed it. But thing about it is you got to let this is not an ideal setup. This is using old 22 line set. You know, you got a 1/4 and 5/8 line set, dropping 30 foot, 24, 30 foot, whatever. And then you're going into a piston, old 22 acre is a slab, and you're adding that 410 system to it. So yeah, it's going to be off a little bit. So here's the picture. So yeah, that's the picture of my pressures and stuff. So a lot of the times, you have to go old school, man. You got to work on the temperatures on your evaporator. Try to get that superheat right as best you can with what you're working with, and hope and pray. Now, if this was a metering device, it'd be a whole different story, because metering device could, you know, control the liquid and stuff inside, or the vapor inside of the coil. So it's a lot different when you're slapping in a, you know, 2020 engine block inside of an old 62 Ford. You know, you're gonna have some issues, man. You gotta modify, but this should be all right now. I got another one back over on 116 building that I got up there just checked before I took the ladder out of the hallway. That's where I just installed those other 2 units. And I saw one on the back of the building that was froze up, so I went ahead and killed it. Told her I'd be back in a couple hours, but I checked the inside unit and it was a solid block of ice. So I told her I'd be back by the end of the day to check the charge on that. That's probably all that's wrong, because the filter looked brand new. Well, semi brand new. Welcome to Monday. I was finally able to get me some insulation, so we'll go ahead and get some of these wrapped up real quick. One or 2 over there, I think. So don't that look much better? Nice and clean. Got her all done up. Now we got a couple over here to do real quick. Gotta hurry up, we got rain coming. I was able to get that all wrapped up. That looks a lot better. Let's go over here and check this one out. I think this one over here is the one that's got the bad. I think I already fixed it. How about that? Yep, I've already got this one. That's the bad one. But it's definitely the fatter stuff on those. These are over here is already done, so we're good to go on this one. Get over here real quick before that storm gets here. Get over here and get this AC fixed. I'll do the video on that. Let's check this out. See if we're thawed out or not. Yep. Oh, ticks me on this one. Yeah, he was better filtered. It's not bad. I still see through it, so we'll go ahead and leave that in there. This is the unit that was froze up, so this should be fine. I'll put the cover back on it. Alright, so we got the filter back in. Filter back in. It carries ladder up there. Woohoo! So I got my stuff condensed down to, this is that 116 building. I got my stuff condensed down to just like one package, $1. So that's the crane. This part I don't leave on the roof. I'll leave the rest of it on there. So you go up the ladder. So this is the one that I disconnected earlier this morning. You know, there's no insulation on the line set. That one over there is pretty well gone. This one's done. This little guy here, I don't know. Let's see what we got charged on this. I thought it was shit. Well, it's a newer unit downstairs, brand new furnace. So this got to be 410A. Shit. I don't see the freaking tag on it, man. Here we go. Might have it on there. So, where we at? Where we at? Horsepower. Yeah. Right there. 410A. Right there. So, we'll get to hooking this up real quick. Noticing that line set right there. It looks like it's got a little oil on it. So we may have a leak. Yeah, I can see inside. I can see through the little hole right here. I can see oil. Yeah, we got a leak. See how bad she is? I got some of that sealer, that leak sealer. So we'll see if we can't fix this with the leak seal. Well, we got this one. It's fluctuating pretty good on the superheat subcool. But I tell you what, as soon as I put this insulation, this new insulation on it, it definitely jumped. It straightened itself right out. You can also tell that we got a bit of sweating going on right there. I think we're gonna be all right. Hey, I just want to show you something. I got one of these. It's a Milwaukee pocket knife. It's just a utility blade, but it's got the screwdriver attachment there, and you can flip that over, and it's a flathead. That also will let you connect your speed wrench to it, and that's what I use on these AC. So in my new little HVAC box, I'm keeping that in there, so that when I'm up here on the roof, I don't need a drill to take that door off. And sometimes these heads are not flathead. They're what is that, 5/16? Yeah, 5/16. So just a little cool trick to carry that knife with you. Makes life a little easier. You know, this one here has got the brand new furnace downstairs. It's got the TXV on it, so it's holding it pretty good. So when we called it down, this one, I went ahead and got these two done. I need a little piece for that. I picked up 7 of those insulation. I've already burned them up. I went ahead and took care of that. There was 2 over there I was able to take care of, and I already fixed that one over there. So I still need a couple more for this. Look at this. Contractor put that in, and it's got the caps on the cap locks. So you have to have the key to unlock it. But I can get it at the parts place. So not a big deal. It costs companies some money to get locked, but I just noticed this. I can show you this. This is funny. We got a junction box off the tube going to a kill box. That's literally it. It's a metal pipe coming out of that box. They put a junction box there, go to the kill box. That's fine. Whatever. Something else to fix, man. Keep plugging away at it. You guys have a great day.